Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Daniel and here I am with another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. You probably remember we have been working with a Google Tag Manager and also with Google Analytics. Let's continue. Let's make today the last part of this series. This is the third video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a goal to track all the zip files downloads on your website. Okay, let's start with just a quick review of what have been done so far. Let me open Google Tag Manager once again, and let me keep open this tag configuration because I want to focus on these three names that you probably remember. I choose these particular names, including this event category, event action, and event label. So this is important because we need these names. We are going to reuse these names now in Google Analytics when creating our goal. So let me show you here. You have to select goals. Okay, so the goal in my case is already created. I also use this name, goal lamp track zip downloads. This is the name that I use here in Google Analytics. So far only one conversion. So this is the way you track download of zip files using a goal inside Google Analytics. Okay, so let me show you how this goal is configured. Okay, so first of all, step number one, you have to choose custom. You want to create a custom goal. Then step number two, here you have to put the name. As I told you, the name is here. In my case, I'm using all the information in this txt file. Then here also in step 2 you have to select the type of goal. In our case we want an event goal. Okay, so let's move to the last step, probably the most important one, and here you can see the same names that we use here in Google Tag Manager. You have to put exactly these names. That's the reason why I prefer to put the names here in a txt file so you can easily copy and paste. But as you can see, these names are telling you everything because we are here inside the goal, and here we have to put event category, so event category, event action, so event action, and finally event label. And that's why I prefer to use this name that are really descriptive so you never get confused. Okay, so that's it. That's everything you have to configure, and then you have your new goal here in the list. As you can see, my goal is already created and I'm watching for conversions. So far only one conversion, as you can see here. Okay, so once you have set up your Google Analytics goal, you can start analyzing and quantifying the traffic that you are getting. Let me show you here real quick another property that I have here in my Google Analytics. So we can see more conversions. Yeah, this is my main website property, as you can see here, and so far I've catch 6 conversions. So this is one way, or you have to check the goal. And also there is another place. Let me go back to home, then conversions, and then goals. Here inside goals you can go to overview, and here I think we are gonna get more information. Yeah, so here you can see that so far this particular property has 6 conversions of the goal. So this is the way you can check for the goals when everything is configured. So guys, I think that's it. Nothing else has to be done. All your configuration is complete. So let me now invite you to visit my website. This is the URL, lamp.ciscoar.com. Here you can see I cover all the information about how to build a website from scratch. You start installing your operating system. In this case, I did install Linux CentOS distribution, and once you have your operating system installed, you can install these tools: Apache, Maria database, and also PHP. And on top of that, you can start building different websites. In this website, you can learn everything with detail. I'm using in this case WordPress as my content management system, but you can use the same structure to build different websites using another frameworks. Let's say you want to use Laravel, you can use Laravel. You want to use just JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, you can do that also. So here you can see that I also cover Google AdSense, also Google Analytics, and Google Tag Manager. All these articles are created with screenshots, so for you to see is really easy to follow. You can't get lost because these screenshots are really good to guide you as a step-by-step guide. Let me show you real quick. You can just open the screenshot if you prefer, or you can also go to the page and read. Sometimes I didn't put any text, as you can see, but because I think that images most of the times are more than enough. So this is the website for you. You want to visit to learn about all these tools. Let me repeat the URL. Lamp in fact is the name of the stack, because this stack is built using Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. That's the meaning of LAMP, LAMP. Okay guys, so that's it. Nothing else for this video. Just let me know if you have any question. Just put them in the comments of the video so I can take a look and reply to you with an answer. So that's it guys. I hope you have learned something new today, as I always say to you. And guys, see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye guys.